everyone, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. I'm going to be using this mould today, and it is a carousel. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if I can pull it inside out. Look, there's little horses, nice and shiny. Don't know where that pink stuff's come from. Yeah, and I thought I'd try it both ways, because the only reason I bought it was I thought it would make a nice candle jar. So obviously for a candle I would be using Aquacast, and I also thought it'd be really pretty in resin, you know, just as a jar, put a few odds and ends in it. Yeah, I thought it'd be good, so that's what we're going to do. I'm going to be using, like I said, Aquacast, but with the Aquacast I'm going to be making it red, I think. I might do the horses, paint the horses in gold or silver, very oriental looking. Yes, so we'll go for that. There's 200 grams of powder there to 70 grams of water. I'm just going to put it all in. And we'll give it a good mix. Don't think I've ever done a strong red with this pigment. I mean, it is wonderful pigment from Jasmonite, but I don't think I've ever done a really strong red. Done blue and black and yellow, but red's a difficult colour, don't you think? In everything. In a car, if you've got a red car, the red sort of fades over time. Colours for hair, as you all know, I was an hairdresser, reds fade really quickly as well. Quite a difficult pigment. Anyway, that's enough for me waffling. Let's get these bubbles out, lumps out, and we'll give it a pour. I don't know how much it's going to take, so I'm dreading having to mix it again, because I might not get the same colour, but we'll give it a try, shall we? Let's bring this in, and we'll just pour it in. There we go. Like I say, it's going on the vibration plate, so I'm not overly concerned about the little knobble in the bottom. Oh, that was a good guess. There's like a little point on the top. Not overly bothered about that. You can see there where the bubbles, oh, where the bubbles are. Get rid of this. Let's start with the top. Right, don't forget this one's got a little point at the top. See if we can stretch that over. This is a bit more malleable than that one. That one's shocking. Oh, I never noticed that. They've got little designs there. It's been on an heat mat, this, so it's still really warm. A lot of water in the lid. There we go. Oh, look at that. That is so cute. Yes, I like that very much. Oh my, that is very detailed. Oh, that is lovely. Does the lid fit? Oh, that is really cute. It really wasn't expensive, this mould, at all. Oh, that's nice. Right, now that I've adored it enough, I'll let this dry. Obviously it's going to be lighter. Put a bit more pigment in that, haven't I, than that. It will be lighter as it dries, but that's not a problem really. 24 to 48 hours to dry. I'll probably leave it 24, and then we'll get to painting them. See you in a bit. Right, that's all painted. I've cleaned it up. Now these, all these in this one, the little decorations, I'm going to go over with my chrome marker at the end. That's way too fiddly to brush on, and my brushes aren't that thick. Right, I've got my resin mixed up. I'll be using the Expert today. Now, I do want it a dark blue. So I've got these resin pigments from Magic Fly, and I'm going to give them a whiz. See if they get dark enough. There's 250 mils of resin here. I weren't too sure how much it'd take. Not quite the same as Aquacast. Oh, look at that. If it stayed that colour, it'd be fabulous. Not that it's likely to. Oh, that is a nice colour. Right, let's give it a squirt of isopropyl alcohol. That was an almost perfect amount. There is just a tiny bit. I could do with a tiny bit there, just on there. But we'll see how it goes, shall we? I'm going to leave this to cure now. I'm going to babysit it for a while. As you can see, bubbles are coming up. And I'll see you back in a bit. It's cured, solid, but still kind of soft around the edges just there, so I'm going to leave that one for a little while, but this one's fine. So we'll get this out, shall we? What a lovely colour. That's very nice. Like I say, we'll leave that one. And I'm going to use the silver marker pen on this one. Let's see if it goes on. Or oh yeah, hey up, yeah. What I'm going to do is I'll wait for that one and then we'll decorate it. What do you think? I think they're absolutely beautiful then. I really do think they're beautiful. Top fits on lovely. Oh, a bit I've missed there. Just a bit there and a bit there. But isn't that beautiful? And this one. Like I say, the top fits lovely. I'm going to pop a candle in that one. Really beautiful. It's been waxed that. It's just waiting for a second coat. Well, there we go. I'll leave some pictures at the end for you. I hope you've liked this video, and thanks ever so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll see you next time. Bye.